Hello there, it's Anna here and welcome to Little Crochet Farm. Today I will show you how to make this chubby bunny. It's my lucky New Year bunny and I hope it brings a lot of luck for you for the next year. This chubby bunny, it's a part of my chubby animals collection. There is a bunch of them here on this YouTube channel and I use a 2mm crochet hook and acrylic yarn I use for this pattern. Alright, let's jump into the pattern. Okay, so we will start here with the magic ring. I show you here how to do the magic ring, and you will crochet 6 single crochet inside the magic ring. If this video is too fast for you, there is a link in the description and in the top right corner here of this video that will take you to a complete tutorial showing you how to do the magic ring. Okay, so here I'm doing 6 single crochet. The complete written pattern of this bunny, it's in the description, okay? So you can go there and check it out if you like the written pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great, now we'll pull this yarn and close tight this magic ring. Super good. Now for the second round, you will crochet 6 increases and you should have a total of 12 stitches at the end of this round. So here, 1 increase means you will crochet 2 single crochet inside the stitch. Okay? So here I have 4. Again, 1 increase. I will fast forward here a little bit. Alright, now I just want to show you here that every time for the beginning of my projects, I like to secure this beginning of the yarn, just to make sure that the magic ring is fully closed, so just secure the beginning of the yarn. And that's how I do. For every part, all the time, I do this process. You see, it's nice, tight, and it will not unravel. Alright, now for the third round, you will crochet 1 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 18 stitches at the end of this round. Okay, so here 1 single crochet, now 1 increase, and you'll repeat this all the way around, and I will catch you up here. Alright, super good. So this is how it should be looking like. I will add here my stitch marker. I use just a piece of different color yarn. And moving on for round number 4. So here you'll crochet 2 single crochet, 1 increase, you'll repeat 6 times or all the way until the end, and you should have a total of 24 stitches at the end of this round. Alright, so here you have 1, 2, and the increase, okay? Repeat all around, and this is how it should be looking like. Now for the round number 5, you will crochet 3 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 30 stitches at the end of this round. I suggest you to count how many stitches you have at the end of every round, especially if you are a beginner. It's so easy for us to lose one stitch, not to see, and then we just jump it. Okay, for the round number 6, you will crochet 4 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 36 stitches here at the end of the round. Okay, so here my increase, you repeat again all the way until the end. Alright, this is looking very nice. We are almost done with the increases. Now for the round number 7, you will crochet 5 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 42 stitches at the end of this round. Alright, so here it's my increase. And that's it. I will catch you up at the end of this round. Okay, Now we're moving forward for round number 8, and this is the last round with the increases, okay? So for here you will work 6 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 48 stitches at the end of this round. All right, super good. This is my increase, and I will repeat this one more time, and I will catch you up once I reach here. Great. So this is how it should be looking like. Now we are done with the increases, and we will work only with the single crochet. Okay, so for round 9 to round 14, you will crochet 48 single crochet. So here is the fun part. Here it's when you put some music, turn on your favorite series, and you just crochet along for all these rounds. Super good. So now we have here all of our rounds worked, and we will start working the decrease. Okay, so you will work for round number 15, 6 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat all the way until the end, which is 6 times, and you should have a total of 42 stitches. Okay, so for amigurumi I like to use the invisible decrease, which is when you just grab the front loop of the stitch, which I'm going to show you here now. You see, front loop of the stitch next to it, and you have 2 stitches becoming 1. This is the invisible decrease. Okay, if you don't know how to make the invisible decrease, check the description below. There is a link that will take you to a complete tutorial, slow and showing you how to properly do the invisible decrease. Now moving on for round number 16, 5 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat all the way until the end, and you should have a total of 36 stitches at the end of this round. Now we will be working decreases all the way until the end. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here it's my decrease. Great, I will continue. And this is the last decrease of this round 16, and moving on for round number 17, you will work 4 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 30 stitches here. Again, count how many stitches you have. It is always the best if you know if you're right on track, and if necessary you can unravel. Alright, this is how it should be looking like, and let's move on for the next round, our round number 18. So we are almost done with this sphere. Okay, so 3 single crochet, 1 decrease, and you repeat 6 times. You should have a total of 24 stitches at the end of this round. So here 1, 2, and 3. Now my decrease. Great, very nice. Okay, now let's move on. And here for round number 19, you should work 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 18 stitches at the end of this round. Okay, you work all the way until the end, which is when I catch you up. This is not our last round, but the last round before we put stuffing material. Okay, I'll work and I'll catch you up here at the end. Great, so we have here almost done. Now let's add a little bit of stuffing material. I like my amigurumi is very firm, so I add a lot. That's up to you. And we move on for our last round, okay? So here you will work 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 12 stitches at the end of this round. I will just let it go here a little bit so you can see how I hold my sphere once it's almost done. This can be a struggle for some of you. And now here, once you finish and you are left with 12 stitches, you cut your yarn, leaving a piece for us to close it, add in the sewing needle, And for closing the amigurumi, I grab only the front loop of the stitch, okay? When I'm working in circles, like when I'm working in a ball or in a sphere, or my amigurumi toys in general, I like to stop once I reach 12 stitches, because I think this is looking more neat if you go all the way for 6. Once you grab all the 12 front loops, you pull it tight. This acrylic yarn is very, very soft. I like working with it. And then I just secure this yarn to make sure that my ending will be very nice and closed. All right, let's finish this off. Great, our chubby body is ready. This is looking very nice. Now let's move on and start working the ears, okay? So here we'll start again with the magic ring, and you will crochet 6 single crochet in a magic ring. I will move a little bit faster here because we've done this before. We already started with the 6 single crochet in a magic ring. Alright then, and then now the next round, number 2, you will crochet 6 increases and you should have 12 stitches at the end of this round. Alright, this is super good. I will just secure the beginning here as usual. And now for the round number 3, you will crochet 1 single crochet, 1 increase, you repeat 6 times and you should have a total of 18 stitches at the end of this round.